Welcome back. This is part 3 of this special webinar on pitching to win. In the last clip, I shared with you some concepts that can help turn your pitch into one that is more memorable through the use of persuasion techniques. Now I'm going to share with you some top tips from our Pitching to Win workshop on the topic of high impact delivery. Now, when delivering pitch presentations, most presenters, they focus the majority of the time on the what, the content of their presentation, spending hours and hours on mind-numbingly dense deck of facts and figures, how big they are, who they work with, what amazing things they do at their company. And you've probably heard of death by PowerPoint. Whilst the what is essential, the difference that really makes the difference to improve your chances of winning those business pitches is the how. And numerous studies over the years have documented how your body language, your facial expressions, the tone of your voice and your physical presence, i.e. your non-verbal communication, speaks the loudest in terms of how others perceive your pitch messages. The gestures you make, your posture, your eye contact, and they all send really strong messages to your audience. They can either put people at ease, or they can build trust. They can draw others towards you, or they can potentially offend or confuse or undermine what you're trying to say. And in some instances, what comes out of your mouth and what you communicate through your body language may be two totally separate things. If you say one thing, but your body language says something else, then your listener will become confused and feel like you're being dishonest. So carefully crafting a sense of executive presence is a powerful strategy that you can use to connect, convince your decision makers' hearts and minds. 7 C's of executive presence are as follows: composure and connection, charisma, confidence, credibility, clarity, and conciseness. In the next part of this webinar on pitching to win, I'm going to share with you the final core attributes, having a winning mindset.